Today, I found out about an AI chatbot which was made to assist people with complex tasks. So, as a technology channel, I thought it would be fun to ask the AI to write this video for me. I gave the AI 2 prompts. Write me a script about an AI chatbot, which basically came out as an easy advertisement. Nice work. And the second prompt is a little more interesting. I thought it might be fun to have the AI rewrite my most popular video, the one about microchip production. If you want to watch it, I'll leave it in the card up above. Go watch it first and see which one's better. So let's get straight into it. Title: Introducing Assistant, the Chat AI. Meet Assistant, the cutting-edge chat AI developed by OpenAI. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, Assistant can understand and respond to your questions and requests with unparalleled accuracy and speed. Whether you need help with a homework assignment, advice on a personal matter, or just someone to talk to, Assistant is here to help. Try it out now and experience the power of AI at your fingertips. Just as a quick side note here, the AI adds in little video direction for you to use in the video. In this case it says, the video shows Assistant in action, responding to various questions and requests from users. Okay, back to the script. With Assistant, you can have a conversation on any topic, from science and history to sports and entertainment. And because it's constantly learning and improving, the more you talk to Assistant, the better it gets at understanding and responding to you. So why wait? Give Assistant a try and see how it helps you today. And then there's another side note here. The video ends with a call to action to try Assistant. That was clearly an advertisement, so that's an interesting one. But let's get into the second AI prompt and see how that goes. Microchips are a crucial component of modern technology, powering everything from smartphones and laptops to cars and medical devices. But what are microchips and how do they work? Let's take a closer look. Another side note here, the stage direction for this one is interesting. The video shows images of various microchips and devices that use them. Duh, just telling me to use some B-roll. Anyway, back to the script. A microchip, also known as an integrated circuit, is a tiny piece of silicon that contains millions of transistors, the basic building blocks of digital electronics. These transistors can be arranged in different ways to perform a wide range of functions, from simple calculations to complex operations. Microchips are incredibly small, with some measuring less than a millimeter across. Despite their size, they are incredibly powerful and can process vast amounts of data at high speeds. This makes them ideal for use in a wide range of applications, from computing and communication to entertainment and transportation. The development of microchips has revolutionized the way we live and work, making it possible to create smaller, faster, and more powerful devices. And with continuous improvements in technology, the potential of microchips is only set to grow. So next time you pick up your smartphone or turn on your computer, remember the incredible power of the microchips inside. And then there's another call to action for learning about microchips. So anyway, that was the 2 prompts. I'd love to hear what you thought of the second prompt compared to my video. I personally think my video was way better written. But I do think that mine was on a more specific subject than just microchips, and that might be why. And remember to subscribe for more videos on technology with Technology Torrent.